Today, my dog Charlie is going to guess which one of these dogs is his best friend Milo. So there will be numbers, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, written on the bottom of their bodies. And Charlie already knows, and you knows that his best friend is Milo, which is him right here. What's up? That this is Charlie's best friend. His number is number 4. You know that Charlie and Milo have a very strong bond, and they always play together and have fun. So today we're going to test Charlie and Milo to see how much he knows, to see how strong their bond really is. They've been best friends for almost 2 years now, and we're going to see how strong their bond is. And each level, Charlie will have to eliminate one dog until they get down to the final 2. And when he gets down to the final 2, he will be blindfolded and feel them and hug them at the end and decide which one is his best friend. If he gets it right, they win. If he gets it wrong, there will be a consequence. Milo will have to pour slime on him. So let's see if Charlie knows his best friend as much as Milo knows him. So the first challenge is that Charlie will be on one side with headphones on, and there will be a microphone on the other side. The thing is that Charlie don't know which Milo is which. He don't know if it's the real Milo or not, because he won't be seeing them. He will not get a chance to see one at all. So, who's going to go first? Milo number 1, come on. What's up? I am not Milo. This is me. I'm Milo, over here. We know that, Milo. We know that that's you, but don't tell Charlie, okay? I won't. All right, number 1. And your voice is going to sound like this. Hello. All right. So it's kind of like this. Hello. Just try it. Hello. All right, good job. All right, Charlie, pick up the headphones. Oh, geez, this is going to be a really big challenge. What if I lose? Well, then you'll have to get a consequence. You have to try to see, and this is only for fun. We're testing how strong your bond is. So when they speak into the headphones, you're going to hear them. You're going to hear the vibrations, okay? Okay. All right, here we go. Don't be scared, Charlie. Ooh, I'm actually pretty excited. All right, well, let's see how much I know Milo. All right. Can you hear me? Mish, I can hear you. I can hear you a bit, at least. Hang on now. Here, we got to make sure that these stick to your ears, Charlie. All right. Just give us a second, guys. We're going to see if we can stick this to Charlie's ears. Tape it over his ears. All right, Charlie, listen to the headphones now. Leave the headphones on your ears. No, like this. All right. Can't you hear me now? I can hear you. Okay, so first question. I'm going to be asking you questions, and you will have to answer them to see if you are Milo or not. Okay, first question. First question. What is my favorite color? Green. Green? How did you know that? All right, well, you might be Milo. I don't know. Well, still got 4 more. Anyway, what is my favorite season, and what do I like to do? What is my favorite season? Summer. Exactly, summer. All right, well, you got that right. But what is my favorite things to do in summer? Ooh. Sometimes go on vacation. Okay, and what else? Go to water park? No, that's not my favorite thing to do. That's not my favorite. What is another one? Come on, Milo number 1. You gotta know these. What is like one of my favorite places to go? Beach. The beach. The beach. Exactly. You got it right. All right. Good job, number 1. Next, please. Number 2. Milo number 2. Good job. What's up? My name is Sham. Pleased to meet you guys. My name is Sham. Try talking in the microphone so Charlie can hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Turn that volume down. Okay. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Mish, I can hear you. All right. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. What is your favorite thing to do together? Play video games? And what is your favorite video game to do? Minecraft? We don't play Minecraft at all, Milo. You gotta know this. Super Mario? No, we do not play that game either. I'm starting to think that this is not Milo. This can't be Milo at all. What is what else do we play? Roblox. Exactly, Roblox. You finally got it right. Okay, what is your favorite game to play in Roblox? Brookhaven. Brookhaven? Well, we played that before, but not really. I don't think this is Milo. Let's see. What is my favorite video game? Your favorite video game? It depends. You play a lot of video games. But what is my main one? I say Pac-Man. Pac-Man? Well, I do like Pac-Man. I guess so. I don't really know if this is Milo. What is my favorite doggo movie? What is my favorite movie? It's a new movie and it came out. Spider-Man? Spider-Man? No. I hate Spider-Man. Are you serious? Mash. Spider-Man is cool. Anyway, guess one. Super Mario movie? Mario movie. Exactly. That's one of my new favorites. All right, well, good job, number 2, but I don't think you're Milo. You are not Milo. Go, get shoo. No, okay. What's up? I'm number 3, and my name is Gator. You know me. I'm Charlie's brother. And little does Charlie know, he's going to be talking to his own brother. He's not going to be talking to me. I know, right? You're the real Milo. I know. I'm up next. Okay, number 3. I know Charlie a lot, so let's see if I can trick him. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mish, I can hear you, but I don't like that vibration sound. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. What is my favorite color? Green. What is my favorite food? Pizza. Well, it is pizza too, but what else? Chicken, steak, bacon, all sorts of chicken. Well, yeah, I'd say that. Well, Mish, you actually got that right. What do I really like to wear all the time? Bracelets. Okay, let me ask you another question. What is my favorite sport? Soccer. Soccer? Well, yeah, that's right. Hey, guess what, guys? Did you know that my favorite sport is actually soccer? I don't think you guys know that, but I'm signing up for soccer this summer. Isn't that cool? Maybe Mophie can take a video of me playing soccer. Who knows? Okay, anyway, back to questions. Last question for number 3. Let me try to think of a hard one. Where did we go on vacation last year? Vacation? You guys went to Ontario, and I remember a few years ago, you guys went to Florida. Florida? Well, you know what? I'm starting to think that this is Milo because he knows everything. Like this person, which is this doggo, I don't know who it is, but I think this might be Milo. Okay, thank you, number 3. Number 4 up. What's up, y'all? It's me, Milo. The gator did pretty good, but now it's my turn, the real Milo. Hello? What's up, Charles? What's up? What's up? Well, that was pretty suspicious because usually Milo don't say hi or anything. He goes, what's up? Yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up? Nothing much. Okay, you know what? This might be Milo. I don't know. All right, time to ask you some questions. What is our favorite thing to do together? Play video games? Play with toys? That is kind of our favorite thing to do. We like to play video games. Sometimes we like to play with toys, not much. What is our favorite thing to do when we're bored? Like when we're actually, how old was I when we first met? 8 or 9? I'm not sure. You were probably almost 9, but I think you might have been 8, or maybe you were after 9. It was around 9 or 8. Well, you were right. It was around 9 or 8. I'm not really sure. I kind of think I was 9 when I first met you. Milo. Oh, well, Milo number 4, because I don't know if you're the real Milo. I am Milo. Anyway, do you have any more questions? Mace, I got one more question for you, and then we'll move on to number 5, and then I'm gonna eliminate one. So, what now? What did we do on our first sleepover? Like when we had our first ever sleepover? Baked homemade cookies. What else did we do besides baking homemade cookies? Making bracelets. What else? Play video games. Anything else? No, not much more to say. Not much more to say. Yeah, that's pretty sure all I remember we did. All I remember. You know what? I'm not sure, but this might be Milo. I don't know. All right, well, anyway, thank you, number 4. Good job, Milo. Do you think Charlie's going to know that was me? Maybe. We'll find out. All right, go, Milo. Milo number 5. Hi, guys. My name is not Milo. My name is Isabel. What's up? Oh, that one said what's up, too. Okay. All right. Milo number 5. I have a question for you. Mash, what is our favorite restaurant that we both like to go to? Mary Brown's. Mary Brown's? That's one of our favorites. But what is another favorite? McDoggies. McDoggles. McDoggles? Miss, I really love McDoggles. And you do too, right? Well, even if you're the real Milo. Miss, I love McDoggles. Especially going with you, Charlie. Of course, Milo number 5. Even though I don't know if you're Milo or not. Okay, next question. What is, let me see. What is another one? Like another good one. What is my sport number? Your sport number? I think your sport number is number 14. My sport number is 14. Well, no. Nope. It's wrong. The answer is 4. I meant to say 4. I didn't mean to say 14. What if she's trying to trick me or something? What if he's trying to trick me or something? Well, sorry for saying 14. I meant to say 4. Oh, you meant to say 4. Yeah, my sport number is 4. Okay, last question. let's see. What is my favorite school subject? You like lunch and gym? Well, not really gym. What is my other one? Language arts? No, it's not language arts either. Social studies? Okay, I really don't think this is Milo because, well, I'm not sure if I would leave this one maybe. Oh, I know what it is. It's math. Math. Okay, finally, you got it right. Math and lunch. Exactly, my two favorite school subjects. Okay, thank you, number 5. So, Charlie, who are you going to think you're going to eliminate first? Well, I don't know because they were, like, all acting like Milo except, like, number 2. So, like, number one kind of knew me. Like, he got a few questions right, but he was acting maybe a little bit shush, so I'd probably give number 1 a maybe. So I think number 1 still might be in. And number 2, I'm not really sure. Number 2, definitely not, because number 2 did not sound like Charlie at all. It did not sound like Milo at all. Like, not even one bit. So number 2 is definitely right on the button. No, that is not Milo. And I know that for sure. Are you going to eliminate number 2? We'll see. And number 3? Well, number 3, actually, I think number 3 might be Milo so far because he got all the questions right. So I'm definitely going to give 3 a yes. And number 4 was actually pretty good too. But I might give a number 4 a maybe. And number 5, number 5 got some questions right, but he also got it wrong. Like he got questions right, but on my favorite school subject, he knows my favorite school subject, so I'd probably give number 5 a maybe. So what one are you gonna eliminate first? Number 2. I'm gonna eliminate number 2. Number 2, are you sure? Do you think number 2 is Milo? No, definitely not. All right. Number 2 is, all right, Charlie, leave her in. Number 2 is eliminated. Miss, I'm still in. Aw, man. All right, Charlie, turn around. Is number 2 Milo? Miss! Woo! That means Milo is still in? Milo is still in. Well, congratulations anyway. I knew you weren't Milo. I know I really tried my best, but anyway, good luck. Good luck. Thank you. And I'm sorry to eliminate you. That's okay. Good luck. Thanks. All right, you guys. Since the next challenge is we are going to be making things out of clay. Clay. Let's go to the clay area, and we are going to make Charlie a food. Like, we are going to make Charlie a little food out of clay. And Charlie is going to guess which one he likes best. Like, which clay he likes best. Like, which art. So, you guys are going to make some art, and Charlie's going to decide which one is best. Okay. We're finished our crafts. All right, you finished your crafts. Wow, I like that little cake you made. Pizza, really cool Milo. And this is the real Milo, just to let you guys know. And, ooh, gator, so cool, spaghetti. And what is this, a pie? All right, so number 1 is going to show Charlie's food first. So, like, Charlie, stay over there, and I'm going to bring the food. What is that? Is this, like, made out of clay or something? Whoa, wait, what is this? Like, apple pie? Ooh, this is pretty cool. Not on the back, but it's brown, like a pie. It's, like, red on the inside. I like the pattern of it. Cool. All right, you want to see number 2? I mean, number 3's work? Whoa. Whoa, is this like spaghetti? Whoa, I really like this one because like spaghetti, yum yum. It's spaghetti. I do like spaghetti, and you know what? Milo really, really loves noodles. So Milo actually really loves noodles. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'm starting to think number 3 might be Milo because for one, Milo number 3 got like all the questions right. And like for 2, Milo really loves noodles. And I might think this is number 3 because Milo likes noodles and he got all the questions right. And he even got the sauce and everything. Whoa, cool. Are you ready to see number 4? What is this? A pizza? Yeah, it's a little slice of pizza. Aw, it's so cute. And it even has like the crust on everything, the sauce, the cheese. Yeah, it's not bad actually. It's actually pretty cute. I feel like I want to eat it because I love pizza. Alright, but anyway, next one. And number 5. What is this? It's a cake. Oh, it's a cake. That's pretty creative. Well, I really kind of like the cake because like pink icing and like down here is like the dough and like, yeah, I like all of them. Okay, so Charlie, who do you want to eliminate next? Oh, this is pretty hard. Well, what food did you like best? I liked the noodles. I really loved the noodles best. You do? So, you know what? I might want to give, well, number 5 got the questions all right, so I still think number 5 is a maybe. I'm not sure. But, well, you know what? I don't know. I'm starting to think that number 5 is a no, actually, because, like, she made a cake and, like, she got my favorite school subjects wrong, and it took him a long time. So, number 1 is still a maybe. I'm not sure. Number 1 will stay a maybe. Number 4, well, number 4 made this pizza, and I do like pizza. Milo usually likes noodles, though. I'll still leave number 4 as a maybe. And then number 3 made noodles. I really think this is Milo, so mash. Number 3 is staying up here because number 3 is my favorite one so far. I think number 3 might be Milo. Oh no. Number 3 has to be Milo. It has to be. Number 3 got all my questions right, and he made noodles, which is he really loves noodles. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to eliminate number 5. Eliminate number 5. Sadly, I'll have to eliminate number 5. All right, Charlie, turn around. Are you going to find out that this is Milo? Turn around. Mish! It is not Milo. No, I am not Milo, but it's nice to meet you, Charlie. My name is Isabel. Oh, nice to meet you, Isabel. You sound nice. My name is Isabel. Your best friend is still in. What do you think your best friend is? Do you think he's number 1? Do you think he's going to be number 1, 3, or 4? Because I'm out now. I think he's number 3. Yeah, well, we'll see. Good luck. Yeah, all right, thank you. Thank you for joining us. All right, you can erase number 5 now. All right, next challenge. What's the next challenge going to be? You're going to get a table. Why? I'll explain to you in a minute. All right, guys. So we only got the 3 of you left. So what we're going to do is that we are going to, what is Charlie's favorite drink? Chocolate milk. I think it's chocolate milk. He kind of likes lemon. He likes ice drinks too. Okay, well, guys, what do you want to get Charlie? So what we're going to do is that each of you are going to get a drink for Charlie. I'm going to order a drink from each of you. And you're going to give Charlie the drink. And whatever drink is best, and whatever drink he finds best, and whatever drink he doesn't like, they will eliminate them. So you have to get a drink and see what drink Charlie likes best. Okay, good idea. 20 minutes later. 20 minutes later. All right, we got the drinks. All right, I'm going to bring number 1 drink to Charlie. All right, so Charlie, this is the number 1 drink. And you have to be blindfolded. What? Why? Because you have to try to guess what the drink is and see if you like it. Oh. Okay. Wait, who made this drink? This is number 1. Number 1. All right. Let me see. What is this? Is this... Wait a minute. Chocolate milk? Yep, you got it. It's pretty good, but it wouldn't be like my favorite. Okay, next drink. Number 3's drink is next. Number 3. I really think number 3 is Milo. Where's the straw at? Wait. What is this? It's a lemon drink. I kind of like lemon. I'm not really sure. I do like lemon, but it's maybe not my favorite. I don't know. Yeah, it's not bad. All right. Okay. Now, number 4 drink. This is from number 4. What is this? It's an iced lemon drink. Iced lemon drink? I love iced lemon drinks. You know what? All right, that's all the drinks. What one do you want to eliminate now, Charlie? You know what? I've actually changed my mind. Number 3 is changing to a maybe. I'm going to change them up a bit. Number 1 is going to be a no. I think I want to eliminate number 1. I don't think Milo would give me any chocolate milk. And you know what? Number 4, actually, I think number 4 is going right up top because number 4 gave me an ice drink. And you know how much I love ice drinks? Yes. All right, well, who do you want to eliminate? And number 3 would be the middle. Who are you going to eliminate? Number 1. Please don't be Milo. Please don't be Milo. Okay, well, you're about to find out if it's Milo. Okay, come on up, number 1. All right, turn around. Oh, my goodness. Woo! I don't have to get slimed yet. Because, you know, if I lose this channel, I'm going to get slimed. Yeah, I really hope you get them right. It's either number 3 or number 4. Oh, this one is so hard. Number 3 and number 4, I'll have to pick out of those ones. And if I lose, I get a consequence. I know, but I wish you luck anyway. Thank you, number 1. Oh, wait, you didn't tell me your name yet. Marcus. Oh, nice to meet you, Marcus. Thank you. Okay, good luck. Thanks, Marcus. All right, Charlie, you ready for the last challenge? You are going to have to be blindfolded, and you have to touch them, number 3 and number 4, and you have to try to tell, like touch them and hug them, and try to guess which one is him. Okay. All right, well, okay. I'll bring you out to them. All right, so, hug number 3 first. All right, number 3, where are you, number 3? Okay. I find you might be a little bit too tall, though. I'm not really sure. Could be a bit tall for Milo. And it doesn't really feel like Milo's fur. All right, number 4, where are you? Oh, I don't know. This one is really tough. Number 3 again. Number 4. All right, I think I made my decision. I think it's number 4. All right, Charlie, you can open. Yeah! Hi! I can't believe I guessed it right. High five. Good job. Thank you. Wait a minute. Gator, what are you doing here? I came, Mophie volunteered me to be number 3. Yeah, well, I didn't think you were Milo because you were way too tall. Good job, Charlie. Thanks, Gator. We are best friends forever. And no matter where we go, our bond is always too strong to be broken. That's right.